We know that because of this pandemic, world is suffering a lot, specifically on business aspect, on financial aspect and health aspect. Many business they are suffering, but fortunately there is one aspect that right now the digital marketing industry they are performing well. So guys, let's discuss if you want to start your own digital marketing agency, then how to start. So specifically, let's understand the advantage or the benefits of starting a digital marketing agency. So first of all, in digital marketing agency, if you want to start this business, this agency, then there is a less risk and there is a very less investment compared to the other kind of businesses. The second is this agency, this business has huge potential and tremendous market. So specifically, you can serve clients located anywhere, maybe they can be outside your country. Consider the case, if you are running some local shop, then you may serve people who are located in local region only. But when you are running digital marketing agency, you can provide your services to any country. The fourth step is diversification. So in diversification, you can serve them more than 2 or 3 services, and many times it happens that client will come to you for one services and you can offer them more than 1, 2 or 3 services. To start this business, you should not have any kind of experience. Of course, you should have some kind of information. This business is highly scalable. The next and very important point of starting this business is whether you are doing a job or not. If you are doing a job, then parallelly, part-time, you can run your own digital marketing agency. If you are doing a business, then again, you can start digital marketing agency parallelly, or if you want to switch from your current business to digital marketing agency, then getting an experience of initial few months, definitely you can realize that whether you want to entirely move from your current business to that business. So let's discuss what kind of services you can cover as digital marketing agency. So first and very demanding services that you can start with is social media management. So in social media management, basically you need to manage your clients' Facebook page, Instagram account, YouTube channel, maybe LinkedIn, Twitter or Pinterest as well. But specifically Facebook, Insta and YouTube, which is having a huge demand. The second that you can start as a service under digital marketing is SEO and PPC. SEO, I think you people are aware about that. Whenever you go to Google and search any keyword, then you will get top 10 list on the first page. So through SEO, you can rank up the website position and it can be on the first page. And PPC is you can pay Google and Google will display your ad on first page. The third service is graphic designing. Again, graphic designing has a huge scope. Fourth is content writing. We all know that content is a king. If you have good content writing skill or you can hire content writer, then you can specifically start this service as well. And the fifth is website development. So you can either start with any one or two of these services, or if you really want to start, then you can adopt these 5 services at a time and you can start it. It's up to you. Now, why do we rely on digital marketing, or why digital marketing industry has a huge potential market? Because previously many businesses they do rely on traditional marketing. Now there are disadvantages this traditional marketing is having. Like in traditional marketing, first of all, comparing to digital marketing, the cost is quite higher. Traditional marketing, it covers whenever you put your advertisement on billboard, kiosk, on newspaper, in local channel. There are many ways where you can follow this traditional marketing. But just think, once your ad will be published, and if you want to change your ad, so specifically in terms of newspaper, in terms of physical media, you cannot change your ad. Specifically, either you need to revise your ad, and for that again you need to pay. In case of digital marketing, you can change content anytime. In digital marketing agency, you can select the targeted audience. So audience, demographic, everything you can decide. Specifically, you can also have a statistic that how many people have seen your advertisement. So you can see that reach of your advertisement, of your content. Also, one major advantage of going digital is once you will publish your content on your social accounts, then it will remain there forever. So you will never know that the content you have pushed today, it might refer by someone after 3 months or 6 months, and that person will call you sometime and you will get a business. So that's how you should rely on digital marketing business. Now let's discuss few statistics. So these few statistics are very useful, and it will definitely give you a confidence that why you should go with this agency. So 84% of internet users worldwide, which is somewhat around 3.5 billion users, they are on social media. And out of this 4.5 billion people on social media platform, every month it used to have 3.8 billion active users. If we consider that social media rank, then Facebook is having the maximum engagement. Then you can consider YouTube, Facebook Messenger, WhatsApp, WeChat, and again there are so many applications that you know. Now one study that happened in 2019 it says that the search traffic generated on Google, it is the 65% of traffic, the major website it got is from Google search. 33% was organic and 32% was paid. So again, if you know SEO in depth, then you can help this number and you can spike up this number. Now in last 2 years, again, one research says that in Google search, there is a 90% plus hike. So it says that 49% of Google users, if they need to find any product and services, then they will go and ask Google about their product or services. Now let's understand, if you want to start digital marketing agency, that you should know. First of all, before you will start your digital marketing agency, understand starting this business does not mean you will hire few people or you will get high configuration laptop, internet. It is not that much easy. Again, it is not impossible. So first you should know in depth that what this industry is. So you have to educate yourself enough where you will know that what is this industry, what are some success aspects, what are the factors which will help you to gain good businesses. Once you will have such initial knowledge, what you need to do is, the second step is you can set up some primary businesses. Means you can decide your business name, you can design a logo, you may design your website, then you may have your own branding and marketing material. And again, the important thing that you should go and create your social account. So specifically, we always recommend that you should have Facebook account, Instagram account, and YouTube channel if required. Apparently, you should also have your business page registered on Google. Once you have this primary business information set up with you, then you can go and find right audience. Again, so find right audience is an art. It is not that once you have started your business, then you should start advertising, blindly and you may get business. It is not the case. So let's say if you know few restaurants or if you know any businesses, then you can go and search on Google that whether those businesses have good logo, if they have their social accounts. If they have their social account, then whether they are doing some regular and good activities on their social accounts or not. If they are not doing, then again you can go and offer them that you are providing this graphic design and social media management services. If they like your proposal, then definitely they will come to you. So find your right audience means you have to decide that whom you should contact and when you should contact. You have to also specifically think about right time. The fourth aspect is build a strong network. Now to build strong network, because initially whenever you will start, it is very hard that in initial days businesses will trust you. So what you can do, this is what we believe, you might go with some another plan, but what we believe, you can go and offer some services maybe for free or maybe with very lower cost where you will lose nothing. So as I said, that you can refer businesses located in your local area specifically, because in local area you know them, they might know you. You can go and specifically approach them, because whenever you send some business proposal to someone, it might be the case that they will not refer it. So it is always advisable that for initial sale, if you go and meet them, then there are huge chances that you will get a business. So you will go and offer them, if they don't have good logo, if they want to revamp their logo, you can offer them business card, graphic designing, social media account. So again, if you want to create social media account for them, you can provide them these services for free, because in these services you do not need to invest your money. All you need to invest is your time. But of course, by this investment you will win a faith of that customer. Once you will have a strong network, gradually you will have a very strong network, and through this network, the last step is you can build and update your strong online presence, because you are digital marketing agency. If you don't have your own strong online presence on social accounts, then people, they might not trust you. So what you can do on gradual basis, whenever you will complete any project, whether it's logo designing, website development or anything, you can update that as a portfolio on your social accounts. You can always ask your customer that once you will complete their project, they need to give at least 1 or 2 minute video testimonial for you, because text testimonial does not create a huge impact, while if it's a video testimonial, then definitely relative people can trust you. And why video testimonial helps, because let's say if you have created a social media account for some hospital, then there might be some cases where different kind of hospitals who want to start their social media, they can get some aspect from that video testimonial, and they may come to you for services. Creating portfolio, maintaining your social media presence. So guys, this is some basic information, and in our next video we will try to cover that. Let's say if you want to start with graphic designing, then even as a separate graphic designing business, how much potential this industry has, or how much good or huge future you can have. So we will try to cover all those aspects related to graphic designing. So if you have already started your digital marketing business, or if you are really willing to start your digital marketing business, then guys, you can fill up your detail in the Google form. The link is mentioned below in the description, and we will try to reach out to you. Also, you can, of course, anytime you can comment us. So guys, good luck and thank you.